Balakannan to say pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it, rich and very every day. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents and teachers and all elders respect with everyone, with courtesy.